Hey honeys, I come to you today from my couch wearing this ridiculous contraption. Um, um, I'm not sure if this is okay. I looked all over YouTube trying to find something about it and I could not. I also Googled this in more than one different way and I could not find anything one way or the other about it. But I'm in a pinch right now because I'm moving um, about over 700 miles away in a few days, and I'm a little low on supplies. But I had this sheet mask. I wanted to not only tell you guys about the mask, which I already used, um, but I had some goo left in the bottom of it. So I thought I would put that on my face today and not ordering the disposable or the little sheet mask from Amazon yet. I plan to, I think. But I made this one out of a coffee filter. I cut it. I folded it in half, and then I cut it like right up here, and then I cut that again. And I mean, I just put the little parts on my face. I painted my face with the goo that was left in here. This is so cool. I just wanted to share it with y'all. It's a blueberry face mask. And the active ingredient in this face mask is blueberry, which helps prevent long-term cell damage with the powerhouse antioxidants found in these magical fruits. I thought beans are magical fruits. Antioxidants fight free radicals to protect your skin from environmental aggressors like toxins and dirt. Blueberries also help to even out skin pigments for a more flawless looking complexion. I should probably be leaning back here. It says you can use it cold in the summer by keeping it in the refrigerator or hot in the winter by soaking it in warm water for 2 to 3 minutes. Wash face to start with fresh skin. Make sure mask is firmly in place and leave on 20 to 30 minutes. Remove mask and use fingertips to tap in the remaining solution to be absorbed into the skin. Don't rinse it off. Ta-da! Brand new face. Anyway, I do think this was really cool and it was really cute. And it doesn't smell like blueberries, but it doesn't smell bad. This is not the ideal thing to do. I was just kind of curious if it would work, or if anybody else has even done anything like this. I just didn't want to throw away the rest of the goo. Is that just me? Does anybody else do that? Do you keep your face mask goo and use it later, or what do you do with your face mask goo that's left over? Oh, well. Anyway, I did a coffee filter for this go around. I did put a good bit on underneath this coffee filter too, and I also put it on top. I'm not really sure what the issue is. I do know that once it dries, it could like absorb some moisture out of your skin, so I would definitely not want it to dry. So I am putting, quite a bit. I'm putting all the rest of it on here, and I'm not going to leave it on that long because I just don't think I have enough goo to make it quite that long. But I did want to share this idea and this particular face mask that did originally come with a sheet mask. I just already used it. And this is with the leftover goo, y'all. I don't know. Should I do this or not? I just don't know. I couldn't find information on it. So, I know it looks ridiculous, but I mean, really, have you seen the sheet mask? They're terrifying looking. So anyway, I will try to still upload every day, even though I'm packing and moving and all that stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you did enjoy this little kind of situation I have going on right here on my face. Um, I'm sure I would have to use this more than once to be able to tell anything from it. I don't feel like I got a new face the last time I used it, but I didn't feel like it was a worse face than it was before. So, anyway, yeah, if you're in a pinch, I mean, this coffee filter ain't doing bad. It's really not. So yeah, like this if you like it. Subscribe whether you like it or not, because you might like another one. And ring that bell, because you're gonna need to know when I upload. It's kind of sporadic, because my sleep schedule's sporadic. So ring the bell so you'll know. And as always, I love to hear from you guys. Comment and find me on Twitter, and you can talk to me on there. And I'll let you go till the next video. Love you guys. Mwah!